How to restore video in CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can restore video in CapCut. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to restore video in CapCut, you want to go ahead and open up CapCut. So let me open it up, and you want to be on the home page. So basically, once you're on the home page, all you gotta do next is at the right hand side you'll find various options. Here you can see the trash option. So as you can see here, trash option, you want to tap on trash and you want to go ahead and you can find the trash here. You can select it, and once you select it, what you'll do is here you can see the restore all icon and the delete icon. You want to simply tap on the restore icon right here. So you'll find the restore icon, tap on restore, and now you can see your project has been restored. However, keep in mind that you'll only be able to restore the projects that you have deleted before 30 days. If the project that you deleted has crossed the 30 days mark, it will be deleted permanently. So this is how you can restore video on CapCut. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.